Take two, all the way from China. So this time, who knows what it's going to be like. I'm a little bit happier with this. This is the style I wanted to go for in the first place. But I saw the carbon ones and I asked someone about them. I thought they look a bit weird. And then I got them and various occurrences occurred, including the fact that this bit here wasn't there. It was just rubber and anyway, they were rubbish. See the other video if you can be bothered. But what is interesting is, look at this. This is something that you'll need. And by the way, I think it said For a moment, I thought that was a W. I'm looking at this one upside down. Was that Williams? It said performance along here, but of course, there's copyright problems with the famous logo. So I sort of thought, well, I prefer some sort of attempt at the M. Anyway, but so that's what they've done. That's what I've got. But look at this. This is the interesting bit. This is the big difference. And this is, if you're going to do this, whichever your fancy is of the front or whatever, you see my video on that. You see this? It doesn't go, let me show it without cutting off. It doesn't go straight along like that. Some pedals do. So before you order, do two things. One, check the side of your pedal, like in my video. Maybe I'll put a clip in it. Who knows what I'll do with it, but you know what I mean. One way or the other, I'll give you a visual on it. So make sure you get the right one of these for the pedal. Now, I haven't fitted this yet, so you never know. It might still be lousy in terms of a fit, but I don't think so. I think it's going to be all right. This is what my pedal looks like, but the one that I ordered just had the line, none of this was there. So when I put it on, it just came straight off. But I didn't like the look of it anyway, really. It just looked a little bit like I was trying too hard with the carbon gloss. It's like, why would you have carbon carbon pedals anyway? And then the actual brake pedal didn't have it. It was just all rubber. There was no logo. There was no fronting on it or anything. So anyway, so I've got to go down now and fit it, haven't I? Which means I've got to clean the pedals, because I kind of said I would in the last one and I still haven't. And it will annoy me that there's dirt underneath that. Anyway, I probably won't do a spectacular job of it, but I should at least. Plus it looks horrible. The thumbnail that I did for the video, just who would click on it, and you showed the answer to that is pretty much no one. So at least if they're clean, if I have to show a picture of them, it's going to look a bit nicer. And anyway, I'm just taking this one out. I'm a little bit nervous of this one, a little bit more nervous than I thought I'd be anyway. Why is that? I thought these flaps sort of... No, it might be all right. Maybe you pull them off with this. I don't know, we'll see. But they're okay, they feel okay. They feel okay. I don't feel like... Somehow they don't really feel OEM, but as long as they look okay when they're on and they stay looking okay as I use them, and obviously, number one thing, they don't fall off, then we're good to go. So, okay, I'm just blabbing. Let's go down there, take a look. Okay, then. Great little thing. Don't know if we're going to get disturbed here. I need to move up the road really, but look at me. I'm going to give it a little bit of a clean. I think that will do. Don't need to clean this because the pedal's coming off if I'm feeling confident that it's all going to go okay. So, I couldn't get a plate for a right-hand drive. Hopefully when I do get one, because it's bound to be from a different supplier, it will match in some way or nearly enough, even if it doesn't have the logo on it. I might might just give this a wipe anyway. Anyway, I think I'm going to let that dry before I do anything else. Right, here we go then. Somewhere where it won't really be disturbed, and gonna go with this one first of all. So let's have a look. So don't want to make too big a thing of it, but as I said before, it's this, see the way this side goes up. Let me get in there better. So like I say, this is thicker. Some of them are just about a couple of centimeters wide, but this one isn't. So it should just be a case of putting this over, which it looks like it is. So that would seem to be an improvement. Right, there you go. This one I'm a bit more bothered about because this has got to come off, which makes me wonder, oh, has it? I mean, you don't want your brake pedal coming off, do you know what I mean? But so if there's something wrong with, you know, I don't know what this pedal's going to be like going back on, if there's something wrong with the one I've got, but I'll just have to see. Right, this is a point of no return. I'm just going to check. It seems to be the right shape and everything. I mean, I know these things will go back on, but you just think, I don't want to disturb it and then discover that, you know, that it's not good. I don't really know why. Oh, I see. Yeah, I can see what these tabs are probably for now. No. See, this is what I mean. It looks a little bit smaller. I'm sure I'll get my brake pedal back on if I have to. But I don't want to have to. Maybe I'll do it this way from the bottom up. Actually should go from the top. It's going to be all right, actually. It's just a bit of a tight fit, which in all honesty, of course, is better than it being a loose fit. And now I can see what these tabs are for. There will be a technique for doing this. What is it? It'll be like a preferred way that this goes on, maybe sliding on from the side. Let's try that. Oh my god. I bet the other one goes back on nice and easy though. Yeah. These little tabs, I'm a bit worried about them breaking, but they're obviously to get the thing to fit. you know, you pull on them. I'm kneeling on mud here, so as well. It's not great. I just want to admire them again for a second. Right, there you go. Done. It was a faff. I got a screwdriver out, just pulled the rubber. Just make sure it's all the way around, sitting over the pedal, which it is. It's not moving around, it should be fine. There it is.